Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to GreenAkers. Today I'm going to be going over changing the oil in my CFORCE 600. This is the 2021. So just going to go over the steps for that. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and make sure and check out my other videos on the CFORCE 600. I got a few of them out there. And if you have any questions, comments, feedback, feel free to send them my way. All right, so here's what we're gonna need to do the oil change. So we have 3 liters of some 10W40 SJ, and also the filter, a 17 millimeter socket, as well as an 8 millimeter socket. And I am gonna replace the washer for the oil pan drain. It suggests doing that. I don't think you probably actually have to, but I was already at the dealer and it was like 30 cents. I'll show you this here too. This is the part number, genuine parts here, so in case anyone's curious, give you a second to look at that. So otherwise, other than a drain pan that goes underneath, that's all we need. So here we go. So we're gonna let this just warm up for a couple minutes to get the oil moving around and let it so it can flow easy. So we'll get that going. Okay, so while that's draining, now we're gonna take off this side cover here. And so what we're gonna do, we got the dipstick here for the oil, and then this is where the oil filter is. So this is where the 8 millimeter socket comes into place. We have to undo each of those, and probably gonna get a little messy. So just make sure your oil pan is right underneath that, because there's really nowhere for this to go. So I'll probably put some paper towels down and try and catch as much of it as I can and try and keep it from going everywhere. Probably just inspect that. I mean, this is the first time. It's totally fine here, so we'll just make sure and get that back in place. And we're just going to be careful not to over tighten here. I want to say it's like 10 foot-pounds, but check your manual. I mean, I have a torque wrench, but I'm not going to use it. Just gonna carefully tighten around and make sure not to overdo it so that we bust off one of these.